Okay, hello. I am doing the final lab for CS41. Let's see if I can do this. It says for your final exam, you will be configuring a small network. This network consists of Torrance corporate office, two branch offices, one in Los Angeles and one in San Francisco. The Torrance office is hosting a company mail web, and DNS server. Your assignment is to configure the network to allow both local and remote computers to be able to access the servers. All clients should be able to browse HTTPS colon front slash backslash or front slash www.cis141.edu. And then it says in the torrent one, which is this one, click CLI. Enable. Let's see what it has. Show running config. Let's see what's configured. Absolutely nothing. Okay. So we want, that's the gateway, I'm assuming. Network access. Then the subnet mask. Okay, so I'm giving that to the computer, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do the routers and switch first because that's what I know what to do. It's in under router slash switch. Okay, is the router for the torrents. We want to enable configure terminal. All right, host name, and then it's gonna be tor dash router. Okay. Then we okay, that's done for that one. You know what? Leave that there. Go to the switch. Configure terminal. And then we name this tor dash switch 01. Enter. Oh, excuse me. Host name or switch one. There we go. Let's go to San Francisco router. CLI. Enter. Enable. Configure terminal. Host name. Which one is this? San Francisco. SF dash RTR. I have caps lock on. SF dash RTR. Enter. Let's put this down. Switch. Oh, wrong one. LA switch. Might as well do it. Enable. Configure. Config. Configure terminal. Host name. LA-SW01. All right. Enable configure tree. Where's it? Host name LA-RTR. Enter. Go down. To this server. Open. Enable configure terminal. Host name. And then SF-SW01. Enter. All right, let's start with the torrent router. Enable. Okay, so for the criteria, it's change the host name, enable secret, CIS 141, service password encryption, banner mod, messages, IP domain name cs141.edu, crypto key generate, RSA generate keys modulus 2048, IP SSH version 2, username admin secret cs141. All right, let's do that. Enable secret CIS 141. That's correct. Okay. And then we want service password encryption. Yes. And then banner mod. And then MGS. Is that how you do it? Okay. And then IP domain name CIS 141.edu. Checking that's correct. Yes. Enter. CRY crypto key generate RSA general keys modulus 2048. All right, enter. All right, IP SSH version 2. Enter, and then user name admin secret CIS CIS 141. Take off the caps lock. Enter. Okay, that's all for the first part. Let's do the next part. Let's go to switch and do it all over again. Enable secret CIS 141. Wait, did I make it capital the first time? Yes, okay, perfect. CIS 141. Next one, service password encryption, enter, banner mot mgs, close, enter, IP domain name cis141.edu, enter, crypto key generate, RSA general keys modulus 2048, enter. All right, IP SSH version 2. Okay, and username admin secret s141, enter. All right, we did the switch. We do the next one, number 3. All right, enable secret CIS141, enter, service password encryption, banner mot messages. All right, IP domain dash name, and then cis141.edu. That's correct, right? All right, enter. Crypto key generate RSA general keys modulus 2048, enter, IP SH version 2. All right, username admin secret CIS141, enter. All right, this next one. 3, 4. Okay. Enable secret CIS141 service password encryption, banner mot messages. Okay, IP domain name cis141.edu. Okay, crypto key. Oops, I got caps lock again. Generate RSA general keys modulus 2048. And IP SSH version 2, and username admin secrets CIS141, enter. And next one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, enable secret CIS141, enter, service password encryption, banner messages, enter IP, domain name, CIS141.edu, crypto key, generate RSA, general keys, modulus 0248, IP, SSH, version 2, user, admin, secret, TIS141, enter. Right, now we need 6. There we go. Enable, configure terminal, enable secret CIS141, service, password encryption, banner, messages, IP, domain name, CIS 141.edu. All right. Crypto key, generate RSA, general keys, modulus 0248, IP, SSH, version 2. Okay. Username, admin, secret, CS141, enter, and that is all for that one. Now we go to we want to on all routers and switches, password CS141, login synchronous, executes timeout 0, login, logouts local. Okay, we're gonna start off on the last one since we're already here. 9 console 0, password CS141. That's right. All right. Login, synchronous, exec, timeout 0. Okay. Login, local. I'm assuming it's gonna be login, local. Login. All right, do both. You never know. All right. Let's drop this. All right, I guess I have to also do exit. Line ritual 15. Password CIS 141. Login. Logging. Synchronous. Execute. Timeout 0. Login. Local. All right. done for that one. For console, console, console. Excuse me. Line console 0. I can't believe I just did it and I immediately forgot. Alright. Password is 141. Login. Synchronous. Execute. Timer. Timeout 0. Login. Login. In. Right. Exit. Line VTY 0 to 15. Password CIS141. Login. Synchronous. Execute. Timeout 0. Login. Logging. Okay. 4, 3, nine, console 0, password S1, logging, synchronous, executive timer 0, login, exit, line ATY 015, password S141, logging, synchronous, executive 0, log, and local. Alright, we go to the next one. We did this, did that, this one. Okay. Port. Enable. Oh, CIS 141. Configure. Configure. Terminal. Line. Console 0. Password. CIS 141. Logging. Synchronous. Executive. Timeout 0. Logging. Exit. Line ETY 015. Password CIS141. Logging. Synchronous. Executive. Timer 0. Login. Local. Right. enable CIS 141 configure terminal line console 0 password CIS 141 logging synchronous executive timer 0 login exit line YTY 0 to 15 password CIS 141 logging synchronous executive timeout 0 login local. Alright. Last one is enable CIS 141 config T 9 0 password CIS 141 logging synchronous executive timeout 0 login exit line ATY 0 to 15 password CIS 141 logging synchronous executive timeout 0 login local. Whew. All right, I'm gonna make sure to copy the running command to the exit copy running to startup config just in case anything happens. Okay, we got one, this one, exit copy running startup. Yep. All right, let's do this one. Exit copy running to startup. Yes. All right. Got this one. Exit copy running to startup. Yep. All right. LA exit copy running to startup. Yep. And the switch exit copy running to startup. There we go. Just in case anything happens, we save the configurations. Okay, according to the Google Doc, yes, the Word doc, tour to San Francisco is 172.16.10.0. You add a 1 because that was the gateway, and this is the actual network. And then for the IPv6 is 2001 HDB, a CAD number 2, and then two colons, and then you add a 1 at the end because yes. And then we do the same thing for Tor to LA, which is 172.16.10.4. In this case, it becomes .5 because it's one more than it was before. Because the ones that here are the gateways. And then we go from the IPv6 toward LA, 2001, HDB, a CAD 3, and you just add a 1 at the end. Okay, so let's do that now. And what do I do for the VLAN? VLAN 10.10.10.1, and it has the IPv6, which is 2001, HDB, a CAD 10::1. Alright, and 64. Okay. Oh, it has the router and switches right there. I was trying to do the math calculations in my head over here in the top part where it says the network segments, but I was supposed to look at the routers and switches, and that has the information we actually need, which has the VLAN, the directions from gigabits 0001, which is towards San Francisco and toward to LA. And it has the actual numbers, and I was just like going like, okay, you need to add a 1 to this because this was the gateway, and then you have to add 1. Okay, so that's where that information is. And let's add it to the thing. All right, let's go towards router. Okay, let's go to configure terminal. All right, interface gigabit 0-0, which is, you're about to find out, this description. It is a WAN from Tor to Cisco. Okay, we wanna IP address, IP address 172.16.10.1 at 255.255.255.255. Enter this except v6 and remove everything else. All right, and then get the v6 1.8 dB :acad :2:1-64. Check if that's correct. Okay. We put no shutdown and then exit. Then you want interface gigabit 0-1, and then description. This is also a WAN for Tor to LA. And then we want IP address 172.16.10.5 at 255.255.255.255. Oh, 252. Oh my gosh, I messed up. I'll fix it right now. IP v6 address 2001:8 db colon acad colon should be 3, right? 3 colon 1-64. Okay, no shut down. Exit. Let's go back to interface gigabit 0 no IP address, and then IP address. Then let's fix it. 172.16.10.1 255.255.255.252. There we go. Shut down. No shutdown. There we go. Exit. There we go. Interface. VLAN 1. Description. Tor. LAN. Should I just write the whole name? I'll just leave it like that. Tor LAN. Or Tor. Might as well. I feel like I'm not spelling it right. I know it's spelled right, it just doesn't feel right. Alright. IP address 10.10.10.1. Alright. 255.255.255.0. So this is /24. Alright. IPv6 address. And then 2001:8 acad 10:1-64. Let's check this is correct. IPv6 address 2001:8 db acad 10:164. Okay. Enter. No shutdown and exit. Exit again. And then copy running config to startup config. Yes. Just in case. You never know. You never know. Okay, let's do the switch now. Might as well do that right now. Okay, so let's do the switch. Configure terminal. Right. Interface VLAN 1. Description. And then it's switch. Let me see that. Where's it? For torrents, we want Tor switch. Tor switch. All right. IP address is 10.10.10.2 at 255.255.255.0. And then no shutdown. And then exit. And let's exit again. And then copy running config to startup config. Yep. Right. What else do I have to do? Okay. Sorry, I have to switch between screens. Well, it says Yeah, still towards. So wait, this is router, right? Didn't say router. Yes, it's default router. Okay, yeah. So let's go to this one. All right. So from here we go IP, DHCP. This is on the router. Exclude dash address. Did I write this wrong? I think this has to be in config. Configure terminal IP DHCP exclude at okay, what am I spelling wrong? IP DHCP EXCL UD excluded. Okay, excluded address. There we go. So I knew something was wrong. 10.10.10.1 through 10.10.10.9 because it says on the exclude .1 through .9 from DHCP. All right, enter. Now we do IP DHCP pool tor dash pool, enter. Network 10.10.10.0 255.255.255.0. We want the default router 10.10.10.1, enter. Okay. Domain name CIS141.edu, enter. DNS server 10.10.10.7, enter. Then we do exit. Oh. End. Okay. Copy. Running config to startup config. You never know what will happen. All right, let's go to the San Francisco one. All right. IP DHCP pool SF dash pool. Did I do that right? Yes. Network. Oh, right. Configure terminal. Then do IP DHCP pool SF dash pool. All right. Network 192.168.30.0 at 255.255.255.0. All right. Then we want default router to be 192.168.30.1. All right. And then the domain name is CIS141.edu. Enter. DNS server 10.10.10.7. Enter. and then copy running to startup. There we go. Then we go for LA. Let me go configure terminal IP DHCP pool LA dash pool. There we go. Network 192.168.20.0. 255.255.255.0. Enter. Okay. Default router 192.168.20.1. Enter. Domain name CIS 141.edu. All right. And DNS server 10.10.10.7. Enter. And copy running to startup. All right. What's the next step? Okay, we did that. Now we got to do V6. Okay. All right. Let me scroll down a little more. All right. Let's configure DHCP V6 in Torrents and LA's LAN. Interface configure IPv6 and D manage configure flag IPv6 DHCP server Tor IPv6 stateless or LA IPv6 stateless not needed SF global settings IPv6 unicasting IPv6 DHCP pool Tor IPv6 stateless DNS server 2001 HTTP CAD 10.7 with the domain name of CIS141.edu. Doesn't say the other ones, just for Torta LA. Well, I mean, we just did Tor to San Francisco, so Torta LA is the next logical answer. Yes. All right. Go back to Tor because we're not done with that. And let's put IP config RT and put IPv6. I need a better keyboard. Uni casting routing. All right. Then IPv6 DHCP Tor dash IPv6. What does it say? IPv6 stateless dash stateless not needed for San Francisco, just for LA and Torrance. All right. Enter. Something went wrong. DHCP. Oh, I forgot the pool. DHCP pool. And then Tor IPv6 stateless. All right. DNS server 2001 HTTP add colon 10 double colon 7. Right? Is that correct? Yes. Okay. Domain name CIS 141.141.edu. All right. Sure. And then that's it for that. Okay. And copy, run, startup, enter. Yep. All right, now we do LA's one. Config. Oh, config. T. Okay. And then wait a minute. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Let me check the previous examples. Yeah, the what am I missing? Oh, okay. I forgot to do the ND manage config flag. Yeah, that's what I forgot to do. Yeah, because I did the global settings, but I didn't do the interface configuration. All right, my bad. Let's go back to the Torrance one. Config T. And then we go to interface VLAN 1 IPv6 MD managed the flag IPv6 DHCP server tour dash IPv6 dash stateless. All right, that's correct, right? All right. Now we go and copy running to startup. Yep. All right. Now we do LA. After starting it for like 3 times already. IPv6. We did the DHCP for the regular one, right? Yeah, we're doing the 6. DHCP pool LA dash IPv6 dash state less. All right. And then DNS dash server 2001 colon 8 db colon acad colon 10 double colon 7. All right, check if that's correct. That looks fine. Enter. Domain name CIS 141.edu. Enter. And then we're gonna exit. Then we're going interface. Ooh. Interface. VLAN 1 IPv6 MD managed configure flag IPv6 DHCP server LA dash IPv6 dash stateless, enter, and copy running config to start a config. Okay, that's done. And then what do we do now? We do the IPv4 routes, configure static routes, Tor routes 2 entries, LA routes 3 entries, San Francisco 3 entries. Okay, let's look at the routes. Scroll down. Where are the routes? All right, now let's put the routes. IP route. Oh wait. Configure terminal IP. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the LA. IP route. Exit. IP route. I don't know why it's not changing, but 19. Oh wait, this is LA, so it would be LA. What's the information for LA? LA. All right, let's go with 10.10.10.0, 255.255.255.0. Give me a second. I was just checking if I have to type in a little slash. Like, all right, we don't have to do that. All right. So zero. Here we go. 172.16.0. 10.1. 150. Okay, verifying. Towards LA to Tor is 10.10.10.0, 255.255.255.0, and then going through 172.16.10.1. Okay, using protocol 150. What did I do wrong? IP question mark. All right, question mark. What is an acceptable? And configure terminal. All right, IP. Yeah, route. That's why I didn't like it. Because there's routes and routing. Okay. 10.10.10.0, 255.255.255.0, and then 172.16.10.1, then 150. And then checking if it's correct. Okay. Okay. And doing it LA to San Francisco. Route it's 192 to 168. And then 20 and 0, same thing. And then 1, 16, 10, and instead of 1, it's 2. All right. Enter. Then time to do the third one. Just do the WAN through the router. That's a different one. 172 16 10 and 4. Okay, checking again. 172 16 10 4. That's instead of 0. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. I gotta change this whole thing. 72 16 10 4 252 at 172 16 and 4. Is that the same one? Yes, it is. I guess so. Okay. Enter. Then we want to exit. Copy running to startup. All right, you never know. We did LA. We do tour. Okay. Configure terminal. IP route 192.168.30.0 at 255.255.255.0 towards 272.16.10.6. All right, this is towards to LA. All right, 150. Enter. Now we do 192.168.20. All right. 0. Same 0. Except 16, 10. Instead of 6, it's a 2. All right. Enter. Exit. Copy. Running to startup. All right. And we did LA. We did towards to do San Francisco. All right. Configure terminal. There we go. Towards Torrance, which is IP route 10.10.10 10.0 at 255.255.255.0 using 172.16.10.1 150. Enter. Okay, then we gotta go towards LA, which will be 192.168.30.0, then 172.16.10.6. Okay. Now we gotta reach the router 172 16 10 5. Then 252. And then it's 172 16 10 and 5. Enter. Something's wrong. 172 16 10. Oh, 10 0. My bad. Okay, 10 0. Enter. All right. Then after we do that, we do the routes for IPv6. All right, let's do IPv6. We are in San Francisco, so let's start off at San Francisco. All right, let's go with, where are we? Oh, we never exited, or exit first. Copy. Running to startup. Now we go back. Config T. Oh. Config T. Okay. There we go. IPv6 route 200/8TP://CAD:30:64 using gigabit. There we go. 0-0 2001:8TP://3:2. Alright, is correct. Okay, 30. Oh, wait, what was I doing? I was doing accidentally the. Oh man, I'm tripping. Okay, let's start off with torrents, which is 10 all the way to. Oh, this is Ethernet 1, right? Yeah, this is the Ethernet 1. No, wait, it's 0. What? Wait a minute. I'm confused. This is San Francisco. It goes to 0. Okay, give me a sec. Yeah, it's all zeros. So we go from 0 up, and then we still use the same wire to go to LA. So it's going to be 0 and then another 0. And then for the way back, like LA, it also uses 0 because it's going to be from this, that. The only time it changes is when you're in torrents. It goes either left or right. Either use 0 or use 1. That's the only time it changes. Okay. Alright. The thing that changes is 2, 1, and that should be this one. We do another one, which is to LA. We change this to 30, and this to the 3 and 2. 3 and 2. And it's still on the same one. Okay, and then we go another time to the WAN. All right, let's go choose from 30 to 3, and this to 2. What am I? Just 3. And then this is 3, 2. Yes. The same as the last one. Okay. Enter. And then exit. Running. Oh, copy. Running config. To start it config. Yep. And now we do torrents. Configure terminal. Go to IPv6. Route. Uh, 2001:8 db :acad 30 /64. Then we're heading towards LA, so it's gigabit Ethernet 0-1. That way it does change to 2001:8 db :acad 20. No, wait. 3 :2. Let me check. Okay. 30 64. All right. Yeah, it looks right. Enter. Then we change this from 30 to 20. All right. Then we get 2 and 2. All right. Oh, that's wrong. That's so wrong. Okay. No. Okay. Let's do this. But no. Go back to that. And this is supposed to be a 0. Oh. 0. All right. Check that it's correct. Yeah, I was in such a rush that, that I made a basic mistake. That looks right. Right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Then exit. Then copy running to startup. All right. And now we go to LA. All right. We go to configure terminal IPv6 route, and then we go 2001:8 db :acad 10 for torrents :64 gigabit Ethernet 0-0 with 2001:8 db :acad 2 :1. All right, and make sure everything's correct. We don't want another disaster like last time. All right, and it looks good. Should be. Enter. All right. This time we choose 10 to a 20. All right, and let's change the 1 to a 2, so it's a 2 2, and enter. Then the final one, we go to 0 2. Instead of 20, you go 2. All right. And it is also the same thing. Should be. Let me check. All right. That looks good. All right. All right. It's time to ping step 9, verify connection. Verify that you can ping at the email, web, DNS servers from Tor PC1, San Francisco PC1, San Francisco PC2, LA PC1, and LA PC2. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, let's start with Tor's PC1, desktop. Okay, then we go with ping 10.10.10.9. You can see .9 is the mail server. Enter for pinging. Okay. Ooh. This is not looking good. I think what we didn't do was, yeah, it's already an automatic. Okay. I don't remember setting this. Let me check the thing. PC. Just in case I messed it up. IPv4. I don't think that's the correct. Oh wait, that's. It should be 10.10.10. Question mark. Be whatever. Alright, I'm gonna keep this here just in case I mess it up. 169.254.14.30. Oh, we don't have a gateway. Is that the gateway? Yeah, I think that's the gateway. Never mind. Let me see. Does this have a gateway? If it doesn't have a gateway, then it can't get out. No gateway. No gateway. Okay, let's add the gateways then. Alright, this is PC2 for LA. Default gateway is. What is it? Alright, let's put 10.10.10.1. The gateway. Why is it failed? Huh? Okay, let's static, automatic. Why is it failing? Undo. Whatever I just did. DHCP. Huh? Why is this failing? Why is the DHCP failing? 10.10.10.1. Wait a minute. Was I on this one? Or was I? Oh, that's not what it's supposed to be. Oh, okay. PC2 is 922.268. No, wait. 268.30.1. All right. Ooh. Invalid gateway. What do you mean? 192.168.30.1. Okay, there we go. And then try to reconnect. Oh man, okay. Two zero one colon 8B colon add colon 30 double colon 1. LAPC2 and should be Slack. Slack isn't working for some reason. It's gonna say failed again. I don't know why though. Assume this is 11. All right. Exit this. Go to 1. All right. Let's change this to 192.168.30.10. And that's a static IP. Default. It's a different one. Okay, I'm confused. This is LAPC1. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm dumb. Okay, that is dot 10. That is 1. No, this is 30, 10. Okay, this is. Okay, that's the one that we were just in. This is the one that we changed. Slack, and then this is 11. Yes. Which one is this? PC2. Okay. PC2, San Francisco. Desktop gateway is this PC2. Yes. 192.168.20, and it should be by DHCP. It should do it by itself, is what it says. That's confusing. but I'm supposed to put a default gateway for this one. So 2001:8 dB at cat 20:11. Okay. Next, this. Check this one again. What's the information? That one's automatic. Okay. Desktop IP. That's also automatic. This is San Francisco 1. Not supposed to be automatic. Huh. Oh, wait. I'm done. I'm supposed to change this. PC2. UCP. Requesting IP. IP is being used. Why? Is it getting messed up then? Oh no. I feel like I'm messing this up. Okay. PC1 192.168.20.10. Right. I'll leave that how it is. Exit. That's this one. Okay. PC1 under Slack. And this is also Slack. DHCP. DHCP successful. Okay. Finally, one that works. Alright, run command prompt. Do it again. And now it works. Finally, okay? 9, 8. Okay, that works. 7. Alright. Now we do the ping 2001 colon 8 b colon colon 10 colon 9. Enter. And then it's getting it. Perfect. 8. Perfect. 7. Oh, my bad. Move that. 7. All right, I'm gonna make a screenshot. All right, well, that one's done. Let's go to the next one, which is whatever this one is. Okay, it's PC2. Okay. Ping 10.10.10.9. And it is pinging. Ooh, okay. That's the first one. The first one usually fails. That's fine. Okay. That one's not so much. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna have to mess with IP configuration again. What's it supposed to be? PC2 in San Francisco. Is it actually supposed to be DHCP? Yes. This doesn't have an IP address though. Huh. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay. FA0 ::1. I don't know what that does, but yeah. Okay. It's supposed to be DHCP, but it's failing. Does not like it. Yikes. Okay. Why is Apia? Hopefully it does something. Put 11. Okay, that's off-putting. What is this? Is this one correct? Okay, this one looks good. Okay. All right, hopefully this one works. Ping 10.10.10.9. Hopefully that works. Okay. We still hold on to hope that it works. Okay. Ooh. Did I not configure the route correctly? What's going on here? Okay, let's try this one. Ping 10.10.10.9. Enter. Okay. It's because of the switch, isn't it? I didn't configure the switch. Because this one got configured because it's right there. Oh, it should have got it. Am I supposed to put the routing on the switch as well? Where the app? Huh? IP interface. IP interface. Wait. Config C IP interface brief. Give me a bit. Oh, excuse me. Show IP interface brief. Exit. Show IP interface brief. Why are they down? Show running config. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, the roots are there. Why are these not set? Why are these down? Does it have an IP? Interface. No IP address. Why is there no IP address? Why has nothing got an IP address? Load. Yes. Oh, no. Yes. No. What got modified? Yeah, sure. Confirm. Maybe this will fix it. We can only hope. S141, enter, enable, STS141, enter, okay, show, running config, alright, why is this wrong? Okay, that got configured, that did not get configured. You are not configured. You are not configured. This is not configured. Why is it not configured? What happened? I'm so confused. Well, I'm gonna redo it and then I'll be back.